Keeping your kitchen sink area clean and organized can make a huge difference in your daily routine. Today, I'm reviewing 5 popular kitchen sponge holders, covering what they do well, where they fall short, and which one might be right for your kitchen. Let's get started. Number 1. Sicily Black Sponge Holder. First up is the Sicily Black Sponge Holder, and this one is all about smart design. I really like the rotatable spout, which directs water straight into the sink, so there's no messy puddle on the countertop. It's compact but still holds soap, sponges, and even multiple brushes. The 304 stainless steel feels sturdy and rust-resistant, which is a big plus for long-term use. Pros: excellent drainage, space-saving design, very sturdy, no installation needed. Cons: slightly pricier than basic holders, and it may feel bulky for very tiny sinks. Overall, this is a fantastic choice if you want a premium, clutter-free sink setup. Number 2. Umbra Sling Sink Caddy. Next is the Umbra Sling Sink Caddy, a minimalist and flexible option. It wraps around your faucet or sink wall and stays in place thanks to its non-slip silicone material. Drainage is excellent, so sponges dry quickly. Pros: very affordable, flexible fit, easy to clean, great airflow. Cons: limited storage space and not ideal if you use large brushes or soap bottles. This is perfect if you want something simple and lightweight without taking up counter space. Number 3. Smiley Face Sponge Holder by Merlong. Number 3 is the Merlong Smiley Face Sponge Holder, and this one adds personality to your sink. It offers 3 separate storage areas and uses a hollow stainless steel frame for fast drying. You also get 2 mounting options: suction cup or adhesive. Pros: fun design, good airflow, flexible mounting options, solid stainless steel. Cons: limited weight capacity and not ideal for rough or uneven surfaces. Great if you want something functional that also adds a playful touch to your kitchen. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Sponge Holder. Next is the OXO Good Grips Sponge Holder, a trusted classic. It's compact, well-ventilated, and has a convenient pour spout for draining water. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which I really appreciate. Pros: durable, excellent airflow, easy to clean, trusted brand quality. Cons: small size and limited storage capacity for multiple items. This is a solid pick if you want a no-nonsense, long-lasting sponge holder. Number 5. H-Lule Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. Last is the H-Lule Sponge Holder, one of the most budget-friendly options on this list. It's compact, easy to install, and works well for holding a sponge or scrubber without cluttering your sink area. Pros: very affordable, space-saving, quick installation. Cons: basic design and less durable compared to stainless steel models. A good choice if you're on a tight budget and want something simple. Each of these sponge holders serves a different need, from premium organization to budget-friendly simplicity. Check the links below for the latest prices, and let me know in the comments which one fits your kitchen best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.